Hi, I'm Jess from Motor Match Stafford, and today I'm going to be showing you around an approved used vehicle. Let's take a look around this Audi A1 1.4 TFSI S-Line Style Edition Sportback S Tronic. It's a petrol automatic with 46,408 miles, in Misano red body and a brilliant black roof. It comes with bi-xenon headlights with automatic adjustment and dynamic range control, with LED daytime running lights so you're always visible to other road users. The exterior is finished off with these 17-inch alloy wheels with 5 V-spoke design. Heading round to the back, you do have a spacious boot area with 60-40 split rear folding seats for larger, bulkier items. Heading round to the rear passenger side, you have black fine Nappa leather. These rear seats come with the ISOFIX safety feature for those smaller passengers. Now heading into the front, that sporty interior continues with sports seats with S-Line stamping, air vent surrounds with complementing red. Taking a look at the driver's side, you have a 3-spoke leather trimmed steering wheel with mounted audio controls and gear shift paddles, taking this car from an auto to a semi-automatic. Behind it you have your instrument cluster with digital display which houses your trip computer where you can see your mileage. Heading across to the centre, you'll find your retractable 6.5-inch display screen which houses all of your infotainment. For example, you have your media which can be connected via Bluetooth. You also have your DAB radio with all your favourite radio stations and phone connectivity for hands-free calling. All of this can be listened to on your upgraded Bose sound system. Heading down the centre, you have your climate controls where you can adjust the temperature, airflow and airflow direction. This car also comes with reverse parking sensors, helping you manoeuvre into those difficult spaces. Moving along the centre, you have your black leather trim sports gear stick and handbrake. RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01785 899 474. Thanks for watching.